Societal design pushes women to manage their homes that includes childcare. Every day, women deal with household chores and have to work to earn either from homes or manage tiny ventures or engage in labor work. Lack of childcare support impacts women's productivity and capacity to earn. Women do need help for childcare. Chetna has, at all times, supported women's causes. Chetna works to empower children, young people, and women, especially those from marginalized social groups, to take control of their own health and that of their families and their communities. Women's participation in the workforce is crucial for inclusive and sustainable development. In India, female labor force participation is increasing but remains below the global average. Women's participation in the labor market is influenced by factors such as economic development, education level, fertility rate, access to childcare, supportive services, and cultural norms. Improving access to quality childcare can make a significant difference in their situation. Community-based childcare and preschool not only benefits younger children but also encourages the enrollment of older siblings, particularly girls, into schools. Staying longer in school can delay marriage and first pregnancy, contributing to greater empowerment and opportunity for girls. Hence, Chetna launched 10 model daycare centers or DCCs. These were initiated in the peripheral villages of an industrial zone in Jhagadia block, Bharuch district in Gujarat, India. This initiative serves children of tribal and migrants, covering a population of 14,600. We conducted a baseline survey and searched and rented houses to operate daycare centers, informed communities through parent meets and Gram Sabhas, and then admitted children. Local women, whom the community trusted, were recruited as DCC workers. These women were graduates with some experience of working with children. Initially, they were trained over 12 days, focusing on health, education, nutrition, safety, and security. Subsequently, this refresher by Chetna helps DCC workers understand the vicious cycle perpetuated by lack of proper nutrition impacting children's growth. The session ends by demonstrating the free play corner concept. Workers play and learn. Capacity building regularly ensures delivering quality services. From the training, we learned about how children develop physically and mentally. We help children develop through various kinds of activities. Children see, do, and learn. Through the trainings, we learn numerous aspects that 90% of children's mental capacities develop between 0 to 6 years. We learn about nutritious food and meaning of weight for age color codes. Capacity built and motivated, these women began performing their role as daycare center workers. But it was not easy.
When
I joined, I found this difficult. On day 1, children came, but all of them were crying. I too cried. Thought this is not for me. But with parent support and our efforts, children are now part of the center. The 10 DCCs, decorated with visuals, function from 9 to 5 through the week. The focus is ensuring health, education, nutrition, safety, and security. The day begins by welcoming the children. Each child picks a visual, expressing how they want to be welcomed. Once children settle, the worker calls out names and checks their temperature. This practice assists workers to detect an unwell child. They either provide extra care or counsel parents accordingly. Soon, a prayer reverberates the center. Next are some light exercises, a chance to flex and stretch. Exercises do pep up children, while some take time. The worker then updates the daily attendance. Before serving nutritious food, hygiene is ensured. The worker sets up red rubber sheets, followed by cotton covers, while children lend a helping hand. Once seated, the worker washes and cleans each child's hands, while a bib protects the child's clothes. Next, nutritious food is served. Today's menu has theplas, bread cooked with bottle gourd. Every day, children savor a variety of wholesome foods. Children are happy with the food variety. Many times they ask for more. By 2 p.m., the 3 to 6-year-old children get escorted back from the government-managed Anganwadis of the Integrated Child Development Services Scheme. The worker ensures each child has returned. It is time for some rest and sleep. With ample rest and an evening snack, children get ready for activities. Numerous activities keep the children engaged. Here, children have fun walking on colorful lines. Tiny hands play with colorful shapes. This makes learning interesting. In this corner, through role play, children are busy developing their social skills. Another set of children are engaged in honing their motor skills, while a few are threading blocks. Wet sand and shapes are fun too. Here, leaves and glue enhance creativity. With children, I enjoy singing, conducting activities, playing and conversing. I listen to children about things that they have done at home and want to talk or share on any subject. Song time is fun time. Children learn new rhythms, actions and words. Songs help develop language. We have an elephant song, a sparrow song, a mango song, and these days, a song about my family. Have elephants stormed the room? I love to play with children, feed them nutritious food, and converse with them. Along with caring for children, parents' awareness is crucial. Parent meetings provide fact-based information. Today, the Chetna team has invited parents to learn about nutrition. Post-registration, each child's weight is taken. The child's weight is recorded. Taking Jianshi's weight for age, that is 13 kilos 300 grams, it is plotted on the growth chart meant for girls. Jianshi's weight falls in the yellow band. Hence, her name tag is placed in the yellow bag. Jianshi will need better nutrition and monitoring. Next, the team explains Hamza's status. He weighs 12 kilos and 600 grams. Choosing the growth chart for boys, Hamza's weight is plotted. His weight is in the green band, which is normal. Hamja's card for this month gets placed in the green bag. The team encourages parents to check the health pocket every month. They would learn if their child's weight is in green, yellow, or the red band and seek advice from the daycare center. This is followed by demonstrating a simple recipe, preparing a nutritious snack. Using home-based, inexpensive ingredients, the team prepares a mix from puffed rice, crushed peanuts, desiccated coconut, and rock sugar. Everyone gets a chance to taste and savor this recipe. Infants can be served this mix with warm milk. By 5 p.m., it is time to go home. Each parent signs the register and then takes their child home. By initiating the daycare centers, women have seen a positive impact. 32-year-old Sarafna Bain has a tailoring business and works from home. She sews and customizes dresses for women.
सिलाई काम करती हूँ और मेरे बच्चे को मैं इधर गुड़िया घर में
I sew clothes.
लड़की है मेरी
My daughter attends the center. When she was home, I was unable to work full time. Had to care for her. Now, I get more time and I sew 2 or 3 dresses more.
Earlier, children accompanied us to work, but now are at the center where I feel they are safe and have improved. It's good they stay here. Sudha Bain is 31 years old and manages a small tea and snack kiosk. 2 of her children attend the daycare center. Ever since my children are at the center, I have benefited. At home, the children demanded money to buy snacks. No more. I'm able to manage my tea and snack business better and find more time. My children have benefited as they have begun eating properly, thanks to the center. 2 of my children attend the daycare center. I have seen changes in my children. Their language has improved. They enjoy activities, have learnt vegetable names like tomato, potato. 55-year-old Teju Bain's granddaughter attends the daycare center. My son's daughter attends the center. I have seen changes and improvement in her. Initially, her mother looked after her, but now my granddaughter goes to the center, while her mother has found a job. There is an overall improvement. We have no worries now. I complete all my work and fetch her at 5 in the evening. My child has gained weight. We learned when the worker informed that our child has gained weight. A good sign. From 9 kilos, it has increased. 30-year-old Jyoti Bain works as a member of the village protection group. Completing her household chores, she leaves her child at the daycare center. My child is cared for and is safe. I have no tension now. My child goes at 9, gets food and cleanliness. They have everything. My child has learnt to speak, recognize alphabets, sings songs and shares everything at home. Parents have acknowledged the valuable role of the daycare centers. Each parent contributes ₹100 per month per child. Earlier, children loitered around. Now we keep them at the center. It's our duty to pay ₹100. We do give ₹100, but save on children, not spending on packaged snacks. For me, DCC is practically free.
अच्छा फ़ायदा होता है
we benefit. Against 100 rupees, we save money not buying outside snacks, plus the child is cared for, gets proper food and learns. We wish such a daycare center model gets replicated and benefits more women, though upscaling with quality is the key. Such positive efforts would ensure a brighter future for the children.